Dear learners, in the previous module we learnt about the effect of processing on the bioavailability of conjugated linoleic acid and its role in human health. In this module we shall learn in brief about the effect of conjugated linoleic acids on human health. To begin with, we will learn about the effect of CLA in prevention of cardiovascular diseases. Natural conjugated linoleic acid helps in prevention of cardiovascular diseases by acting as an antioxidant and by lowering the blood pressure. As it promotes the oxidation and utilization of body fat, it might prevent plaque formation and atherosclerosis. Next, we shall see the effect on cancer prevention. Conjugated linoleic acid known to have anti-carcinogenic properties and prevents cancer formation. CLA is believed to have an impact on prostaglandin synthesis and on the pathway of fat-soluble vitamins. It has a positive effect on cellular function and thus helps in prevention of neoplasia. Obesity and loss of body fat. Conjugated linoleic acid supplementation is known to enhance the weight loss. In animal studies, CLA supplementation exhibited increased energy expenditure and reduced body fat. Conjugated linoleic acid increases the activity of carnitine palmitoyl transferase, an enzyme responsible for the transport of fat into the mitochondria for oxidation. Conjugated linoleic acid aids in better utilization of body's fat stores while increasing the basal metabolic rate. The naturally occurring CLA can also improve overall metabolic health of the subject. Some studies also report that CLA may increase bone density in animals. We shall next see the perspective of food application of conjugated linoleic acid. An increasing interest in enhancing the CLA content in food products is attributed to its potential anti-carcinogenic, anti-diabetic, anti-atherogenic and immunomodulatory function in animals and human beings. It is obvious that possible health benefits of a niche market potential for high CLA milk and products made from it. Dairy products and beverages serve as the focus for incorporation of additional conjugated linoleic acid as a functional food in the diets as they naturally contain conjugated linoleic acid. Apart from regular dairy products, the milk-based beverages used in sports nutrition can also be aimed for improving endurance and positive weight regulatory mechanisms among sportsmen. Conjugated linoleic acid can be added in variety of foods. Its potential market remains in meal replacement drinks, juices, smoothies, shakes, cookies and biscuits where dairy products are freely used. Despite studies on CLA supplementation for the purpose of investigating changes in body composition and other benefits both in animals and in humans, they are very discordant. The capacity of CLA to alter the body composition positively by reducing the fat mass was proved in experimental modules and in some studies on human beings. In fact, few studies have evaluated the use of CLA alone or in combination with physical exercise in humans regarding changes in body composition. Therefore, the clinical evidence appears to be insufficient and non-unanimous regarding the effect on body fat reduction, and major side effects have already been described. In this sense, the consumption of foods naturally enriched with CLA and not from supplementation during lifetime would be an alternative to reduce increased adiposity. Besides, it could reduce the risk of other diseases associated with obesity, since they would endure the beneficial effects on body composition and would not add effects that are adverse to the health. A significant body of evidence indicates that CLA isomers demonstrate effects on blood lipids, tissue metabolism, cell function and transcription factors that potentially could improve health status. However, at the same time, studies with dietary supplements of various CLA isomers alone or in combination have resulted in undesirable effects on human nutrition and health. We shall now see the safety and effects. Meat from grass-grazed animals and dairy products are known to be healthy for many reasons, so it is good to consume them regularly. Conjugated linoleic acid supplementation may not be as beneficial as the one occurring in the natural state. They can also exert side effects like stomach ache, constipation, diarrhea and nausea. Large doses of supplemental CLA can cause fatty liver, metabolic abnormalities, inflammation and insulin resistance. Hence, dietary CLA can be considered as a better choice over the artificial supplementation. However, the American FDA allows CLA to be added to foods and gives it the GRAS status. The consumer should also be watchful while selecting the naturally occurring foods or the dietary supplements eaten for its functional properties. Dietary supplements which are fortified with functional properties should clearly indicate the health claim based upon their structure and function. A consumer should also be completely made aware about the potential health benefits and hazards of a functional food or supplement which are related to its excessive consumption, nutrient interactions or side effects. The safety and efficacy claim of a functional food or supplement should be well researched and authenticated. To summarize our learning, conjugated linoleic acid is termed as CLA. It is widely distributed in many foods, especially in milk and meat from ruminants such as cows, sheep and goats. It is the only naturally occurring substance that has been shown to unequivocally prevent cancer. From this module, you would have understood the chemical structure and its association with essential fatty acids, the food sources of CLA and its effect on health. The functional properties of CLA exhibited increased energy expenditure and reduced body fat, heart-friendly and anti-carcinogenic functions. It is also known to bring in significant reduction in body weight with increased lipolysis and fat oxidation. Conjugated linoleic acid can be fortified or enriched in variety of foods. Apart from regular dairy products, the products used in sports nutrition can also be aimed for incorporating CLA in the diets. However, dietary CLA can be considered as a preferred choice over the artificial supplementation. Hope you enjoyed learning on the functional foods.